I'm so sorry I haven't been posting. Remember, I had to take a break, so yeah. And I'm busy editing stuff. And yeah, so today I'm gonna do a little video to stay tuned to make more videos. And I'm super duper sorry that there's background music. Background noise, I mean. Okay. Also, Happy New Year! Happy New Year's Eve! Yeah. I hope you guys have a Happy New Year's Eve. I hope you guys have a Happy New Year's Eve. So today, we'll be opening these Squishy Friends. And I got the lovable dinosaur. And yeah. I got this at Target. And yeah. There's all kinds, like there's a sloth, a cupcake, a hedgehog, dinosaur. So cute! So rising. There's a sloth, I think. Okay, restart. Sloth, dinosaur, cupcake, hedgehog. What else? There's another season. It's like a winter season. It's an otter. Yeah, I was gonna get that, but nope. I got this beautiful, super slow rising dinosaur. As you can see, he's so cute with his little face. And he's a mint green, and he has little spikes. So here is a. Let's show him. I'm really sick. I'm sick, guys. So sorry if I'm coughing a lot. Yeah, so that is the lovable dinosaur, and it's from Toy Smith. I'm so sorry for the background noise. Yeah, we're celebrating, and people are coming right now, so guys, I guess that's it. So yeah, I'll probably be making a new video unboxing more stuff, or news video, or maybe I might be posting a little teaser about Escape the Night. Just kidding, I'm doing a little teaser right now. Okay, so one of the roles in my Escape the Night is the Super Spy. So yeah, I'm not telling you who it is, what it is. It's just the Super Spy. So here's the squish again. Okay. Bye guys. Hope you liked the video. Subscribe. Comment down below. Let's do this. Comment down below. How many squishies do you have? Yeah, that's a random question. So comment down below how much squishies you have. Hit the notification bell to watch me unboxing and reviewing squishies, figures, and other things like mixed mystery boxes. So yeah, bye guys.